How to convert text to curves in Affinity Photo. First thing to do, go to the text tool. You can find that in the toolbar. Artistic text tool. Once you've done that, create some text. Just something very simple, such as some type. And you can see over there in the layers, a big letter T for text. Convert to curves. You can find it in the far top right. Convert to curves. And that's it. Very, very quick. Once you've converted to curves, what you can then do is you can just go to layers and you can select individual letters. So like E, P, etc. And go to the node tool. You can find that in the toolbar. Then you can see the individual points and you can select and modify those. Another approach, got some type there again, just go to layer and go down the bottom, convert to curves. That's another way, instead of using the button at the top. Once you've done that, again go to layers, select individual letters. And again, what you can do, just go to that letter and go over to the node tool and then select the individual points. Just drag them and modify the letters in numerous ways. Another option, right-click the text and convert to curves. I'm going to show you can also use the frame text tool as well. And I'm going to add some text into that. Something bigger than 18 or 20. 200. You can convert that as well to curves. Just go over to the convert to curves in the corner. That's one option. Or again, go to the layer and convert to curves. It's been converted. Go to the layers panel. Just break down, go to the individual letters. I'm going to select one of those letters and then go to the node tool and you can again see the points and you can drag them all over the place, backwards and forwards. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Please subscribe to the channel, always adding new tutorials. Also, please add some comments as well as a dislike or like. Thank you much.